Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another Konkani recipe, Moog ani Duddiye Elchikeri. Moog is green gram and Duddi is pumpkin in Konkani. Pumpkin is a very rich source of vitamin A and green gram as well is packed with a lot of healthy nutritions. So this healthy dish is usually had along with rice for lunch. So let's see how to make this simple recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 cup of green gram, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 to 3 dry red chili, small piece of tamarind, salt as per taste and a pinch of turmeric. Few curry leaves, half teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon jeera. One cup of chopped pumpkin. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the green gram for about 15 to 30 minutes. To a pressure cooker, add the green gram and water and cook until it is done. In a mixer, add the salt, turmeric powder, tamarind, dry red chili and 3/4 cup of grated coconut and grind until you get a fine paste. Now in a kadai we are going to add oil, mustard seed, jeera, curry leaf and 1/4 cup of grated coconut and roast them until they turn aromatic. Once the green gram is cooked, we are going to add the masala paste which we had previously prepared. Add desired amount of water and mix the gravy well. At this point of time, we can add the extra salt if needed. Now add the cooked pumpkin and mix well. Pumpkin here we had cooked separately in microwave for about 10 minutes in high. Add the tempering which we had separately prepared and now your gravy is done. Elchikeri is usually done with different variation of dal and vegetable. You can even use vegetables such as raw banana, yam, drumstick. Every variation has its own taste and flavor. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.